Your standard equipment inside, just like the others. Got a keyboard, monitor mount, split wire loom running up the side. Pretty nice stuff. The officers here are very friendly. Everybody seems pretty cool. My presence, which is extraordinary. It's very nice. You know, it is public property. We're just checking things out, so they're being cool, and that's what we want to see. That's fucking awesome. So give it up to Willie PD. I can't say much for the sergeant inside, but yeah.
Take care, man.
Thanks for being friendly. All right.
Always, man.
Town vehicle there. Ooh, look at the bike. We gotta go check out the Harley. Oh, look at this. Look what I found, guys. Yeah, this is for let's turn on the bright light. Yeah, look at that. That's for when they gotta put the citizens down. That's the one that rams down the whole front wall of your house, and then all the guys come jumping off the top to come get you. But this is a Harley. It's a nice looking Harley, if I may say so myself. Eagleville. This is a Harley, right? Yes, it is. No, it's not. It's a Vulcan. So it's not a Harley. What a shame. They tricked me. Town vehicle. At least he's not driving it home. Give it up for Wyndham, ladies and gentlemen, for not fucking letting their goddamn employees drive their town vehicles home on all the taxpayers' gas and insurance and all of our money. Can't say the same for the town of Mansfield, but hats off to Wyndham. Whatever, Sergeant Silva. I'll see that guy again. See, we got to pick our battles here, you know. Sergeant Cocksucker. Well, I can walk down some roads here where I know there could probably be some trouble. Maybe I'll do that. GoPro, stop recording.